In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can convert notes to comments in Excel. So here I have a spreadsheet with a bunch of different notes and a couple comments. As you can see, the notes are these yellow boxes with the check note right here, which can be helpful because they pop out a bit more, they're a bit more obvious, but also they're a bit less aesthetic than the comments, which you see right here, which can allow you to have automatic replies, which are helpful because they're more modern, but you can't customize them as much as you can notes. So let's just say we wanted to convert all these notes to these comments. To do this, go to the Review tab in the middle, and then under the notes grouping, you're going to want to click on Convert to Comments. After clicking on Convert to Comments, it's going to pop up this box that says when converting notes to comments, any images and formatting inside them will be removed. So if you have a note with an image that's being referred to or any sort of color coding, that's going to be removed whenever you convert them to comments. But click on Convert to Comments. As you can see, where there were notes, there are now comments, which is helpful because they're a bit more modern, a bit cleaner, but also any customization that you had for the formatting in your notes is now not there. That said, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.